Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome back to videography class. Today we shall learn how to install iScribe pad in our laptop or system. It is a wonderful product recently launched into market. I bought it and used it and saw its wonder. Most of the teachers, I would like to say, the teachers who are going to make educational videos for the students, they are badly in need of this product, because with this product we can write we can do mathematical operations and also write the questions and answers and also hints with the help of a pen. So let's know how this product is. First let's see the pad. Yes, this one the pad. Its name is iScribe pad. With it we get a pen. Yes, this is the pen we are provided with it. It is a rechargeable pen. And what is wonder in it, that if you want to use this pad and write something, it will be, if connected to the laptop, it will be displayed on the laptop screen, right? So what do we actually do? We connect this pad to laptop and put a place a paper on the pad, any kind of, any normal paper, just like this. But it should be A4 size paper. Size is A4, but paper is just normal. And place a paper and write on the paper what you will write will be displayed on the laptop. So let's know how to install it in our laptop. We shall do it. Let's search its site in Chrome. Yes, 1 minute. Yes, I am doing it on the laptop. Yeah. Now enter the site it told it that is not the right. It electronics, that is the electronics. Yeah, this one. Next, click here. It's opened. iScribe. Yes, done. Then downloads iScribe. This is called iScribe. Yes, sir. Scroll down. Enter your name here. That is a name. Suryanarayan Sahu. SURJYA Narayana. Next, your phone number 977-660-1379. Email. Then submit. Then click here. Submit command. Yes, submitted. Let's go down. Here is the downloads. Download command. Next, iScribe. This is A5, but we have a purchased iScribe A for USB application. Click to download. Yes, this one. Let's click here. It's downloading, but be sure that you have that is a RAR. WinRAR software already installed in your laptop. Otherwise, it will run in other applications. Still, it will not be feasible. Okay. Let's see whether it is downloaded or not. Yes, we have received any icon like this. Yes, this one, iScribe. Next. Now it is installing it. Yes. Let's close. Now here it is installed. Mark it. This is iScribe icon. Double click here. So click at iScribe A4 paid icon. Yes, it is opening. Wait 1 minute. Yes, it's opened. Right? Now let's connect it. Here is the connect command. Click here. Yes. So it is opened. Now let's connect it. Connect the file to the laptop. Yes, it's connected. Yes, sir. Click here. Now it is connected. We shall write something. Hold as the screen is in portrait mode. You hold your pad in portrait mode and write. Yes, it is what I am writing on the paper is being displayed on the screen. So this is the interface we see when we click on the iScribe A4 icon. So now let's see whether it is working on Word or PowerPoint or any other things or not. Let's see. First, here change the pen mode. Change the mode. Here is the mode. Could understand? Here is the mode. Change the mode. It will. Yes. Now the mode is mouse mode. Now minimize it. Yes, minimize it. Let's search for word. Word. This is the word. Yeah, open it. Yeah, open it. Now click on draw command. Yes, select a pen. Yes, pen is selected. But in this situation, you have to hold your pad in a landscape mode with the clip in the left side. I shall show you its picture. You will get the image and you will hold like this. And write. Just 1 minute. I shall select a pen. This is the pen. I shall select. Yes, and I shall select a color again. Yes, it is written Surya Narayan Sahu. It's done. Mundamarai. You can do it. And there is, there are different pens. Here is eraser. Just you click here and erase them with your cursor. Yes, erase. Could understand? Yes, done. A lot of features are there. You can use them. The more you will use, the more expert you will become. But it is a wonderful product. Now let's see whether it is working on PowerPoint mode or not. Let's see. PowerPoint. Yes, PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint. Opened. Yeah. Yes, this is the click here and insert again. Here is the draw button. Select the pen and write. Select color. Let's select this color. This color. Okay, done. Let's write it. Double click here. See. Yes, it is written. Let's change its color. Red color. See, it's written or not? Yes. Written. Could understand? So in this way, we can use this iScribe A4 paid for the teaching of mathematics and science. I am talking about mathematics and science because it needs working out on the blackboard. Other subjects also need blackboard work, but math science is most necessary. So for the math and science teacher, it is very beneficial and also very useful. And they can also copy and paste the picture or image on the screen and write its parts. So from this angle, I must say that the new product launched in the market is the best and also useful product for the teachers who are making teaching videos or educational videos. So I would like to recommend this product to my YouTubers, and with this I would like to stop today's class. We will have other discussions about videography in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.